Hi everyone, my name is Daniel Cushing. I'm a STEM teacher at Woodland Elementary School in Milford, Massachusetts, and I'm fortunate enough to be one of the MassCUE 2025 grant recipients. As a STEM teacher, I use technology a lot already: Google Classroom, Typing.com, Scratch, Code.org, Vex Robotics. However, there was a piece missing from my curriculum, and that was 3D printing. I really wanted my students to have access to all of the things that 3D printing can provide, and through the MassCUE grant, I was able to do that. With the funds from the grant, I was able to purchase 2 MakerBot Sketch 3D printers, as well as the filament and supplies to run them. Over the past couple of months, I have been able to implement this in my classes, and it has changed my class leaps and bounds. My students have been able to use 3D printing for the first time using Tinkercad software and MakerBot's own software, as well as Google Classroom, and they're already coming up with incredible creations and turning their ideas into 3 dimensions. And so this is something I plan on using for many years to come. It was a pretty seamless process from being awarded the grant to purchasing the funds and supplies, my district getting reimbursed, and now implementing with my students through Tinkercad, Google Classroom, and MakerBot software. So I highly encourage anybody who is trying to add technology resources to their classroom to consider the MassCUE grant. I know my students are reaping the benefits from it, so I am extremely grateful. Thank you, and good luck.